Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to organize your icons on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Samsung lets you move multiple apps at once, drag apps from the app drawer to the home screen, lets you create folders and quickly remove or uninstall apps. So let's just say, for example, you go ahead and open up your app drawer, and here you want to go ahead and select a few icons to have it on your home screen. So I'll go ahead and first find a page. So say, for example, I want to go ahead and fill this up with all my icons. So to do this, you want to go ahead and open up your app drawer, and let's just say I've selected some apps. I'll tap select. Now I'll go ahead and select these apps. Now I want to go ahead and move all of these apps and place a shortcut on my home screen. So I'll go ahead and select one. I'll go ahead and drag it to the top. This will take me to my home screen. I'll go ahead and add it here. Now here I have all the apps. Now let's say, for example, I want to go ahead and create a folder out of this. So I can go ahead and select one app, tap select. Select all the apps, go ahead and tap on create folder. This will now create me a folder like this. Now let's just say, for example, I want to uninstall all of these apps. So I don't need to go ahead and uninstall them one by one. I can go ahead and select one, select all of them. And then at the top here, I can go ahead and choose uninstall, or I can go ahead and choose remove. Remove will basically remove it from my home screen, while uninstall will basically remove it from my phone itself. I can go ahead and move these out of the folder, place it on the desktop. And let's just say, for example, I want to just get rid of these icons. So I'll select them again, tap on remove, and those icons will be removed from the home screen. So this helps you keep your home screen clean, organized, and easy to navigate. So there you go, guys. That is how to organize your icons on your Samsung Galaxy device.